Shout out kay Nasmon Hussein. Nasmon Lifestyle. Okay, thank you for watching my live. Now I cut the hair. Only alone, guys. You now I make zero, guys. Number zero. My PC is like this, only, guys. I have in front, guys, mirror, big mirror, guys. That's why I look up, guys, like this.